G'day, here's a small parcel of bit of mixture, some knobbies and a bit of seam material mixed together here. Rules and millimetres, material's been wetted to help highlight the colours. As you can see, there's a lot of small pieces of colour. Okay, I've just gone in a bit closer so you get a better look. I haven't moved any of the pieces. As you can see, some of them are small, but some of these will cut small stones. Here's an interesting piece. Just cut and polish it the way it is, and end up with a pattern or a design in the stone. Sometimes they turn out to look a bit like landscapes. There's other pieces in here that got a weak band of colour. There it is, comes up there. So that's a good piece to practice grinding around the edge here. Find your band, and then you can grind down to it. Other pieces haven't got so much in it, though it's still showing colour there. There's all these little pieces. It's like that, just thrown in. Little knobby. So they form in the clay. Something like this is also good if you want to do mosaic work. There's a lot of pieces here. Some are quite bright. Just throw that piece out. It's got nothing in it, just a bit of boulder, piece of boulder opal, or a little stone that was in the mix. Anyway, I think that gives you a bit of an idea. A lot of fun there for someone. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.